Yo, what's going on? Welcome back. Hope you're doing well, and happy Thanksgiving and happy holidays to all of you watching right now. It's been a while. I hope you're doing great. If you're watching the shorts, hey, that's awesome. Thank you. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button so you guys can subscribe and catch all the updates that we do as we go, and work our way up to 100K subscribers and beyond. So today we're looking at Chessvia AI. This is a tool that I actually advocate for. I actually really like the tool because it helps me with obviously understanding my chess, some AI type of questions and things that you can ask, like to a chess engine AI, which is really awesome to use. And then also you can do other features as well, like analyze your games, chat and ask questions to the AI, and etc. So Chessvia AI, you can get it 50% off your first month with using Canty50 in the code there. I'm actually going to link it right under the video in the description, so you guys can check that out. Let's take a look at the homepage here. So on the homepage, boom, it's saying I can play Carol Con defense here, game review, and then also you can chat with it. Like, feel free. Let's see what it says. Hey James, feel free to ask me anything about how Chessvia works, the daily puzzle, or your online chess accounts. And say, what is my best openings for white? That's that. We're gonna let it think a little bit. You can ask it questions about yourself, and then I'm gonna ask it a few questions because I'm a big AI fan myself. I literally use ChatGPT every single day. Okay, every day I use ChatGPT. So to have one for chess, yeah, that's the way to go. I actually tried to use myself experience ChatGPT and other ones, other chat, just ChatGPTs basically to try AIs to try to use some chess terms, and it didn't work actually. So it's just, it doesn't, like, they make illegal moves and stuff is crazy. And I'm like, you know what? Somebody needs to make something for chess, and that's what this is right here. I love it. So let's take a look at it. Great question. My favorite top 3 openings with white are right now 136 games with the Sicilian variation. This is actually JOBAVA basically. So 17% of my games, I have a 93% win rate, 1% draw rate, 4% above white average. This is a major strength. Your results are excellent. Keep leveraging this line. Perk defense is white. So I think this is like a reverse black lion is what they mean, I think, because I have a, sometimes I played in bullet games, like, it's basically, if you can follow this on the board, E4, D3, and like knight D2, knight F3, bishop E2, C3, queen C2, H3, rook G1, G4, castle queen side stuff. It's a reverse black lion, but it's kind of a white lion in a way. Perk defense for white, because you really can't do the perk as white. So that's what they're saying. Another strong performer, really handled the perk well. No urgency. Yeah, change. Sicilian pawn opening. This is probably like other things outside of JOBAVA London. Okay, all 3 of your my main white openings are performing above your already high average. There's no glaring weaknesses here. If you want to improve further, consider deepening your knowledge in queen's pawn opening and Sicilian. So this is JOBAVA. Wow, it's so in depth. You might also explore adding a new line for variety, but your current repertoire is serving you well. Would you like to know which specific lines within these openings you can study next, or do you want advice on your black openings too? Ooh, that's sick. Okay, so let's do this. Let's go. What about best black openings for me? And then we're gonna look at variations with white and black. Let that thing think. This is very nice. This is just, we haven't even looked at anything else. This is just the chat, like the chat. You can talk to it like AI, like ChatGPT, and ask about your stats and etc. There's nothing I've seen like this. So like, hey, what's this? What's this for me? What's that? And I spend a lot of time myself already on AI. I think this is probably my favorite tool is asking the questions. Okay, so with black, my best are perk defense. I think they mean like, oh no, this is black lion. Yeah, this is lion. So I'm playing, it's sometimes transposed into a perk or pierce defense, but it's not really a perk. Like I don't play perk like that. So it's really, but I think the transpositions and like how they play it could be a perk. Very solid and reliable opening for me. My results are very strong, clear asset. Queen's pawn opening is black. I think this might be reverse JOBAVA, which you can play in fact. I think this is reverse JOBAVA though. Indian game, 55%. Oh no, sorry, 85%. It's still good. So wow, this is King's Indian stuff. So apparently, yeah, I love a King's Indian, but this is my weakest at the top 3. Incredible. That's actually incredible to know. What focus to leverage on your strengths? Keep playing Queen's pawn. So that's the reverse JOBAVA and like the perk defense, aka Black Lion, basically, with black. So these are nice. Improve on Indian games since this is a bit below average. Reviewing common traps, plans, and move orders. Okay, cool. Repertoire diversity. Your top 3 black openings make up about a third of your black games, so you have a healthy mix. If you want to expand, consider adding a new defense or deepening your prep. Next, study model games in King's Indian, basically, where things go off track. Practice tactical motifs and typical middle game plans in best performing lines to keep your edge. If you want a training plan or specific resources on the openings, just let me know. Yeah, absolutely, of course. Give me a training plan and specific resources. How about that? And specific resources for these openings. How about that? You know, we're just gonna throw it out there, guys. But this, you see, we haven't got to anything else yet. Okay, guys, this is amazing. I love just talking about myself to the chat, you know, to like the AI, so I can like get to know yourself, guys. You get to know yourself, and like the stats are like they're talking to you. This is this, this is that. Would you like me to look? And sir, would you like me to, sir? And sir, would you like? Absolutely, absolutely, 100%. So let's see what else. Great question. Before I build a training plan, could you clarify a few things? Ooh, do you want a daily or weekly? Okay, let's do this. I want a daily one, daily plan. And then we're going to start looking at some other stuff, because I could be here all day, guys. The whole video, I will be right here. I'm just telling you, I use this all the time. So, okay, daily. Would you like plan focus on both white? Yes, both. And then we'll go, are you looking for short or long term? Ooh, long term. And then, okay, once you, I'll create a tailored plan. All right, just a heads up, I can't provide downloadable materials or external resources, but I'll guide you on how to use the features for your study. All right, perfect. Okay, here we go. So daily, I want both white and black, long term. Let's see what the plan they come up with. Then we're gonna check a few other details. I'm gonna get you guys out of here, guys. I want you guys to start using this literally today. Okay, chessvia.ai, which will get you obviously here. And then you can use Canty 50 to get 50% off of your first month. Okay, cool. Here we go. Perfect. Here's the long-term daily training plan. Focus on both my best white and black openings. This plan is designed for study improvement and uses only Chessvia tools. No external resources needed. Look at that. All right, so here it is. Opening study, 20 minutes, 15 to 20. That's what I actually tell students, by the way. If you are interested in lessons, always reach out to me via email, jamescanty@gmail.com. If I have slots available, then we'll work something out. But opening study, 15 to 20 minutes, alternate days between basically the JOBAVA and the general Queen's Pawn opening. So maybe that's just like things outside of JOBAVA that, like, you know, weird move orders. 15, 20 minutes focusing on JOBAVA. Review typical move orders, main ideas, and common traps. Rotate between Black Lion, aka Pierce Defense is what they call it. Queen's Pawn opening is black. I think that's reverse JOBAVA, and King's Indian. So rotating. Focus on understanding key plans, pawn structures, and tactical motifs. You see, they're not even saying study all the theory and do the trainables 100 times a day. Like, that's a lot. That's very tedious. But what does work is key plans, pawn structures, and tactical motifs, which is generally model games. Say how to do this in Chessvia. Use the play page. Ooh, that's over here. Use the play page against me as your sparring partner. Select your desired opening and practice the first 10 to 15 moves. Whoa! Focusing on accuracy and understanding. After this session, note any positions or lines that I felt unclear. Practical play, 15 to 30 minutes. Play at least one game daily, using your target opening, alternate colors each day. On the play page, choose your color and opening and play a full game against me at your preferred difficulty. Try to apply the ideas you studied earlier in the session. Game review and feedback, 10 to 15 minutes. After each game, go to the analyze page and review your moves. Use the AI-powered insights to spot mistakes, missed tactics, and turning points, especially in the opening phase. Pay special attention to move order mistakes, missed tactical shots, early deviations from my repertoire. Weekly deep dive, once per week, 30 to 45 minutes. Pick one opening, rotate each week. That is actually incredible. And do a focused study session. Set up critical positions on the play page and try different responses. Use the analyze page to review your toughest games in that opening. Identify recurring problems or positions that confuse you. This is crazy. Look at this. It's still going. Okay. Adapt and evolve. Every 2 to 4 weeks, check my stats on the insights page to see which openings are improving and which may need some work. Adjust your study focus based on your results. Spend extra time on any opening that's underperforming. Key reminders. All your study and practice may be done right here on Chessvia. No need for external resources. If you want a game-specific training plan, upload your game to analyze page and then use the AI-powered study plan. Okay, customized downloadable training plans are coming soon. That's gonna be nice. If you like more advanced features, you can use the app page here. Okay, and then it says play page session or do it. What is it? Would you like tips on how to structure your play page sessions? Or do you want advice on how to review your games most effectively? Yes, actually, last question here. How to review my games more effectively. And then we're going to go right over to that tool. Right over to that tool. Oh, you can do this too. There's also the daily puzzle. All right, let's get this right real quick. Hold on. Can y'all see it? Gotta make this like slightly smaller. Can y'all see it now? Kind of. My page might be a little bit too big. Can I do it now? How about here? There we go. Okay. So this one's white to move. It looks like, oh, it's just mate in one. Oh, wait, that's not mate. I'm tripping. Whoa, what is this? Knight D8, queen takes B7? Hold on. Check, check. Oh, this is not easy. Check, takes, check. Oh my goodness. Boom, boom. Oh, that's incorrect. Wait, this was incorrect? Oh, that was a mouse slip. I thought I went here. I'm not gonna lie. And then here. Oh, okay. You know what? Hold on real quick. Hold on. It was this one. This is where I meant to go. Right this way. Yeah, the king could go to C7. That's why that was incorrect. Okay, let's go back up here. Fantastic question, James. Let me actually make this a little bit bigger. Go back to where we were at 100%. All right, so, all right. How to review my games more effectively? Fantastic question. Reviewing your games effectively is one of the fastest ways to improve. Here's a step-by-step approach. So number one, use the analyze page. Upload my games or look at the most recent. Let the AI highlight critical moments, blunders, and missed opportunities. Pay special attention to the opening phase. See where you deviated from your repertoire or made inaccuracies. Identify critical moments. Look for turning points, sudden changes in the eval, blunders, or missed tactics. Ask yourself, what was my plan here? Did I miss something obvious? Compare your moves to the recommended lines. For each mistake, see what the AI suggests as the best move. Try to understand the why the recommended move is better. Does it develop a piece, defend a weakness, or create a threat? Spot recurring patterns. Are you making the same type of mistakes? Hanging pieces, missing tactics, poor time management. Do certain openings or positions give you more trouble? Check your insights page for patterns. Take notes and set goals. After each review, jot down 1 to 2 key lessons or themes. Don't rush pawn pushes in the perk, aka Black Lion, or watch the knight forks in the Shogun, aka JOBAVA. Set a mini goal for your game, like focus on developing all pieces by move 10. Use Chessvia's study plan feature on the analyze page. Use the AI generated study plan to target your specific weaknesses. Follow the recommended exercises or review similar positions. Number 7, regular review sessions. Make reviewing a habit. After every week, after every game, or at least a few times per week. Over time, you'll notice patterns and see real improvement. Extra tips. Don't just focus on the losses. Review your wins too. Sometimes you get away with mistakes. If you're unsure why a move is the best, ask me for an explanation. I'm here to help you. Would you like a walk down of how to use analyze? So you can actually do this by yourself. You can just, yes, I would like that. Now I'm going to actually go over here to analyze because I don't want this video to be too long for you guys. So we're going to analyze. You have ChessCom, you have Lee Chess. So I'm going to go to the Lee Chess ones because I looked at the ChessComs already. I'm not going to lie. I use this tool, guys. But yeah, I'm going to look at the Lee Chess one and an account I don't use anymore. And the reason why is because I got it to 2,800. Generally, I have a number. Like I start making new accounts. I got so many alternates accounts. So I start making new ones once I reach 2,800. So I'm at 2,800 on here. So let's actually, yeah, let's look at the game. From my perspective, Norm Hunter X was white. And I think it's analyzing, or did it analyze already? Oh, cool. It sees it. So brilliant moves, I had none. Best moves, I had 9 good. Book, great. Okay. Any bad moves, I had 1 inaccuracy, 1 mistake. He had 2. On here, win probability here, white advantage, black advantage. All right, cool. I remember looking at this a lot, so let's take a look at it. AI overview. White steered the game into a sharp Virasov, aka JOBAVA. Castle long, built pressure on the G file. Both sides missed shots, but black's bishop B7 dropped a full piece, and after H3, the knight was trapped and left black with no counterplay. White kept central tension while aiming the pieces toward the king side. Black exchanged early, but weakened the queen side with B5, A5. G file open after GX F5, and both white rooks quickly occupied it. White, okay, so they're just showing all my stuff here. All right, okay, middle game, yeah, end game. All right, puzzles. We're gonna look at the game in a minute here. Oh, this is inaccuracy. Increases, so I was supposed to play what here? What, did you want me to just, no, probably G4. Oh, that's wrong. Take? What? Well, what do I do here? All right, well, show me the solution. Man, queen f3, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. I guess, I mean, you know, engine is always better than us. Our queen already here on h5. Like, I really liked it over there, but okay, whatever. Queen h5 was what I wanted. Take a look at the chat here. Oh, yeah, this one's actually coming soon. Okay, cool. Let's go back to review. Let's look at analysis here. Black plays. There's a lot of stuff here. Following lines. Moves, reports, AI overview. This one's probably my favorite. It's the AI overview of the entire game, but obviously you can analyze with it too as well. Another thing I like to point out is you can go over here to chat and you can just ask questions, you know, like how we kind of did from the homepage here with this chat. This one's cool where if you have questions on yourself or by yourself and things to say, but if you want to just go over here to this chat and on the side right next to me, you see over here, oh, there we go, over here, right there, you can see actually opening fundamental. You can develop, you know, opening fundamentals, develop pieces quickly. You can click on stuff, right? Boom, the knight on the rim is dim. Tell me about this principle. The knight on the rim is dim. All right, I'll click it. And then it's going to bring it up in a minute here. But you see all of this stuff, piece placement. If you must, like, you can click on all of these and literally become a better player because they're talking to you about it. Study and improvement, that one's probably something that's coming, but you have to wait for this to load. And when it loads, it's going to give us an answer. There it is, boom. And we didn't see anything like it was loading. So when you see, you just wait for it to happen. This principle warrants a nice place on the edge, the rim of the board. Squares like A1, H1, A8, H8, or even the second and seventh ranks are usually much less effective than knights placed closer to the center, right? So I mean, you can use these. You can also ask, how good is the JOBAVA London? Of course, y'all know I love Jar Jar Binks London. Come on now, don't talk to me nice. You know how it go. So how good is JOBAVA London? So we're gonna wait to see what it says about this. You also have the play tab too as well. They also keep your chats over here on the left, which is kind of cool. Kind of like ChatGPT in a way. You have a history, and we're going to click on insights and be done for the day, boys and girls. Again, you can go chessvia.ai and actually get your first month 50% off using Canty 50. So definitely go get that now. Okay, what does it say? Scroll up. JOBAVA London is a modern and aggressive twist on the traditional London. What is JOBAVA? Main strengths. What popular at club level? How it's different from the traditional London. Is it good for you? Looking at your stats, you are absolutely a real Jedi. Oh my goodness, why are they playing with you? I mean, that's crazy. I don't know why either. I mean, exactly. Pawn openings that say 90% win weight. So absolutely nice here. But you can do this for yourself too as well. Commands, you also have commands, which is pretty awesome. Training plan, basics to understand basic opening. Come on, guys, what? That is incredible. I used to go to Wikipedia to do this. Like, hey, ideas of said opening. Or you could do it now here, which is incredible, you know, because you can get ideas rather than just moves and memorizing. I think this is incredible. Next thing and last thing here we're going to look at is the insights tool. So what you can do is use insight, click analyze. It's going to fetch my data here. And then after this, guys, go use it right now. Chessvia.ai, Canty 50% off your first month. I mean, you know what I mean? Keep going and get this right. We also have a yearly thing too as well. I think you can use Canty 30, Canty 50, use both codes. See which one give you the best deal you like from there. Okay, so we're gonna let this thing load up. In the meantime, if you watched this far, thank you so much. Subscribe, hit the sub button. That helps so much for me as we're grinding to 100K subs to get that plaque and like just keep pushing and keep throwing out content for you guys. Got more content for you and etc. So excited to bring that to you and deliver it to you. Hope you guys are having a great one. So as this thing load up a little bit, I like this. Magnus Carlsen wants 110 blindfold games simultaneously. Stockfish can calculate millions of positions per second. Canty is a real Jedi. Oh, I mean, the longest official chess game lasted 20 hours. That's crazy. Yeah, I did see this. More atoms in the universe. That's crazy. Zugzwang means being forced to move and worsen your position. Opposite color bishop. In games often result in draws. Did you know D4 statistically performs better than E4 master games? Sicilian defense accounts 25% of all pro chess games. Wow. Okay, and then it goes back to Magnus. So. All right, we're gonna wait for this insights tool. Still fetching the data. It said it can take up to a minute. So we'll wait for that. Wait around for that. Should come up any second here. Opposite color bishop in games often result in draws. That's nice. All good to know. So we are waiting. So of course, what you can do is you can either wait here with us and just vibe, talk about life. How was your Thanksgiving? Let me know in the chat. You know, how was the holiday? or you can just fast forward, you know, because I'm not about to edit this out. This is real life, real non-editing. It's just us. It's just me and you. It's just me and you. How's your chess going? I've been doing very well actually lately, guys, with my chess. I've been improving. I've been working on my game. Things have been incredible for me. So I hope the same for you. But of course, what it is just a grind. It's just working on your game, and things that you work on tend to do good in the rest of your career, type of thing. So still fetching my data here. Still fetching my data. I got a lot of games. Dang. I mean, I do. I have like, I probably should have just shows it because I have like 80,000 plus games on chess.com. I have so many games. Chess, I don't have as many on the alternate account. So that's probably why this is taking forever here to do this. So we're gonna wait around just a little bit longer, see what happens. Oh no. There we go. Perfect. All right. Please wait until analysis is fully complete. You got too many games, my guy. That's what it's saying. Bro, you got too many games. You got too many games, bro. Average points per game. Okay. All right. That's interesting. ELO over time. Cool. Keeps going up. Opening stats. Pawn opening other than... Oh, that's interesting. Opponent rating stats. What is this? Okay. Ways of winning. Timeout, resign, checkmate. Ways of losing. Wow, timeout is the most. Timeout. I got a lot of games losing on time. Ways of drawing. Time inefficiency. Okay. This is interesting. You can learn a lot about yourself here, I think, which I want you to dive into this yourself on that end. But we're going to cut the video short here. We're at 20 minutes already. If you made it this far, awesome. If you haven't, that's okay, because you ain't even going to see this. But no, Canty 50, remember Chessvia.ai. Go use Canty 50 to get you some percentages off. Sometimes the year, the month too as well, with the Canty 50 and Canty 30 codes. So try it out. I definitely highly recommend it. Again, my biggest thing that I love the most is the chat. I spend a lot of time with AI already outside of chess. So with chess, it's awesome to have one for your chess, and you can just ask it questions, give you a training plan, and just go to work. Like, just do this all day, right? So highly recommend it. And yeah, love you guys. Thanks so much for watching. This is not our last video. We're gonna keep going, man. Keep pushing this content out. Make sure you subscribe so you can see more of these videos and get the updates. And I'll see you guys on the next video.